Historical events in film The Crimes of Ed Gein. The Texas Chainsaw Massacre franchise has marketed itself as being based on a true story since the first film in 1974. It, along with many horror films, was based on Ed Gein, who gained notoriety due to the grotesque nature of his crimes. A decapitated corpse was found in his home, along with a range of unsettling items, including human bones, skin-crafted objects, and body parts made into furniture. Officially, he claimed 2 victims, both shot with a pistol and not a chainsaw. The case has eerie similarity to the cannibals in the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, whose home is littered with chairs aligned with bones. However, the stark distinction lies in the psychological nuances. Ed Gein's actions were not merely the acts of a cannibalistic maniac as portrayed in the film franchise. Instead, they were driven by a disturbed psychological state, one characterized by a fascination with death, a necrophilic obsession, and a desire to create a woman's suit made of human skin. The film's eponymous massacre is all a work of fiction.